Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To the Kaspa holders, appreciate all the love. Let's get right in today's update and really understand what's happening with Kaspa as we are going into Tuesday morning. So if we're looking across the board, seeing a little bit of a minor pullback once again for the broader market, and that is all due to Bitcoin. And I'm going to obviously pull out the charts for you guys and we'll take a closer look. So Kaspa is down by 8% right now, with the price currently sitting at 5.9 cents. We're also down about 5.4% in Bitcoin side of things. The valuation at 1.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 90 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So take a look at what's happening with the Bitcoin Dominance Index. A major spike from where we were just a few hours back. We were sitting literally at 58.95%. And you could see for yourself, we saw this major increase. And of course, that is due to, Bitcoin. Bitcoin got rejected at the $115,000 mark, to be exact, just below 116,000. We retested that several different times over the last, few hours. Of course, we got rejected at that key range, and we're finding ourselves back down to this key level. But again, I did highlight this in my H-bar update. If you did end up watching it, I think a lot of people were expecting that, the stock market is going to open up on a really positive note. But I think market makers are kind of coming in and switching the overall sentiment. And again, if you're looking at the liquidation numbers, I was able to look at them just after I made the H-bar update. We're looking at about $200 million worth of liquidation just based off of this retracement itself, which is, again, a massive, massive amount to say the least. But if you're looking at Kaspa's price right now, so Kaspa's price is currently sitting at almost 6 cents. You can see for yourself. Obviously, I've talked to you guys about the 6 cents support line, a significant amount, significant amount of support. Sorry, and again, we've mentioned this level on our channel quite some time. But I want you guys to focus on the price of Kaspa on an hourly perspective, because I'll give you a better perspective rather than taking a look at it on a daily time frame. So you can see for yourself, since our wick down to the 4.6 cents mark, you have seen Kaspa trying to make its way towards the upside. We came up to 6.6 cents. Very, very impressive. And again, I did highlight to you guys how Kaspa did hold better than a lot of other coins, because we saw a lot of other coins saw a significant pullback, yet Kaspa didn't see as sharp of a pullback compared to a lot of coins, which is very impressive. But again, if you want to put this into perspective, as far as the percentage is concerned, we did see an increase of about, you could say, 41% to anyone that was able to get their hands on Kaspa around that price point. So you can see for yourself, we came down to 6.6 cents. That's obviously a resistance as well, but of course, the broader market saw a little bit of a retracement, which dragged the price of Kaspa down with it. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we're looking at retracement of about 13% after a 40% increase. Again, not bad. Right now, the reason why we're seeing this is because of Bitcoin. What you want to see, obviously, Bitcoin do is make its way back above $116,000 and push up toward confirmation zone. Those are levels to be watching out for, but I do expect some choppy levels. Obviously, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking today as well. That could also be causing a little bit of a retracement within the markets. But let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys covered. Obviously, keep an eye out on Bitcoin as well as the dominance. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. Follow me on X, link in the description box below, and we'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.